Then there is the second point. Eko bahunam yo vidadati kaman. This second portion. So here he vidadati kaman means. So he gives kaman means karma phalani. Kaman word here. He gives the fruit of action to all jivas. He gives the fruits of action. Who? The same consciousness, but now he is along with Maya. Consciousness will not give the fruit of action because to give the fruit of action, therefore Bhaskar writes here, Kincha sarvajnah sarveshwarah kaminam samsarinam karmanurupam kaman karmaphalani swanugraha nimittam. Nimittan kaman. So ekah bahunam anekesham anayasena vidadati prayachati iti etat. So he gives the fruit of action. How? Because to give fruit of action, he should know all jivas. He should give all fruits of all jivas. All your karma he should know. There are millions of action of one jiva. And also he should know which other jeev is in the srishti who can give the fruit to this person. He will choose somebody for you, especially for you, made for each other. Generally we think we are misfit as a couple. Misfit nature wise, but highly fit karma phal wise. So he gives the fruit, he will bring that particular jeev for you. Positive, negative, anything. तुलसी जैसी पूरा करो. तुलसी जैसी भवतवता तैसी मिले सहाय ताही आवे आप पही ताही तहां ले जाए. In Pratap Bhanu Prasang in Ramayana, well, as you have to have, you will meet somebody. You're not free to meet anybody. वो तो कर्म फल है आपका, वो भगवान ने कहा ठीक है, आई विल गिव यू नाउ. मिल गया. That person will come or somebody will take you to that person if he doesn't come. There somebody will come. One person was going in Indore in motorcycle. One snake, vulture was carrying one snake. By mistake, that vulture dropped that snake on that person. Now imagine a snake falling while you are driving. He lost balance. He fell down. Snake also lost balance. He also fell down. In fact, snake regained the balance fast. He was totally confused. Who dropped the snake on me? Matter is not over. Listen, story is still to complete. So he fell down. By the time he is searching, who is the snake came and bit him, and he died. अब देखो ऐसा लिखा था. Snake would have run away, but it came back. Depending on your fruit. Vidadhati, prayachati. इसको ये दे दो, इसको ये दे दो, इसको ये दे दो. Bhaskar puts one line here. Swa anugraha nimittan against the Purmimamsa. To refute Purmimamsa. This is used for refuting Purmimamsa. Students can know because they don't believe in that issue. They use this verse. If you are not knowing, then they will say, where is it written in the Upanishad that God gives the fruits of action? If you are not reading, here it is written. And where in Gita it is written? कविं पुराणं मनुशासितारं अणोरणीयान् समनुस्मरेद्यः सर्वस्य धातारं धाता, वहां धाता का मतलब ही one who gives the fruits of it. So karturagya prapyate phalam, you will get body, you will get wife, husband, children, father, mother, as depending on your definite karma. Your job also. A job which I won't get. No, you won't get that. You won't get the job which you want all the time. But why not? Because your actions are like that. Your fruit of action is different. Eko bahunam. Bahunam means so to of many jivas. Of many jivas. देख लो, don't think Ishwar is, you can't run away. He will give something, he will give some prasad from somewhere. Good fruit also he will give. Why you are worrying? Well, he should only give me good fruit. No, but then you only do good actions. Only do good action. But while action, I am not careful. But you should be careful about giving fruit. He is also very careful. Somebody said, somebody was telling, God said to somebody, for me, millions and billions of dollars are like $1. $1 of Swarg is there. And millions of years are like 1 second. So big I am. That person said, God, give me your $1. God said, wait a second. उसका सेकंड बहुत बड़ा है भाई. एको बहु नाम यो विदधाति कामान. So first line what it said? First line was about the Chaitanya, Paramatma and Karma Phal Data. Now third line I already explained. Tamatmastam yenu pashyanti dhiraha. Again they are coming back. Dhiraha pashyanti. Atmastam means, बोलो भाई, साक्षी रूपेण. अब जीव पे आ गए. He started from tat padarth coming to tom padarth. This is the way. This is how Chandogya also goes in 6th chapter. They start from tat padarth Brahma and they are coming to the jeev. Yenu pashyanti dhiraha. Because that is the only way to know the self. Is to you have to go to the sakshi. What? Consciousness is not part property or product of the matter. You have to disidentify this. That is called pashyanti dhira. Then tesham shanti shashvati. So tesham shanti, that they alone have shanti. Which shanti is there? Shashvati shanti. Very beautiful word is it? Bole why? There is shanti of the environment, like the teacher said, keep your mind shut. Shh. Children, put your finger on the lips. So in the small children, they are putting in some, they smile also. So they put their finger. You have done that. Put the finger on the lips. Hota nahi? But it doesn't stop them for laughing. This is one shanti. Shh. And they see each other and laugh. And giggle also. There's one shanti is there. दूसरी शांति है मन की शांति. बड़ा शांत मन है हमारा. Very very quiet. Very quiet. I has very nice jap I did in the morning. Oh, you do jap in the morning? Yes. Today I did. I thought let me complete my jap. Whole day I won't get time. And I sat and I think I was about to go into samadhi. But Because of the class, I could not go. Otherwise, I did my job. Achha. What was the experience? Nothing I was knowing. It was sleep, not samadhi. So, समाधि में जाएंगे से so so this is the mansik shanti. I'm very quiet today. I'm not, and that day person, what he thinks, he becomes very good philosopher. I don't hate anybody. I have no attachment for anybody. Hate and attachment, all are not good things. Like Sugriv said to Bhagwan Ram, when Bhagwan Ram shot the Tal Vriksh, so Sugriv said, अब प्रभु कृपा करहु एक भांति, शब्द जी भजन करो दिन राति. बोले ये सब राम भगति के बाधक, मोह मूल, दिस इज ऑल, सुख दुख परिवार संपत्ति बढ़ाई. बोले ये सब राम संपत्ति के बाधक. कहीं अस तव पद अवराधक. And all these family, friends, all are nothing but obstruction to the spiritual life, to your bhakti. बड़ा philosopher हो गया एकदम. But after that what happened was funny thing. सुनी बिराग संजुत कपि बानी, बिहसी हसे राम धनु पानी. अब somebody talks very seriously, other person laughs a lot. It is very insulting, सुरे सुनी बिराक संजुत कपि बानी, बिहसी हसे. Bhagwan had a hearty laughter. मतलब what you are talking is not right. It's a funny thing you are saying. Because that problem is still there. So sometimes our mind is very quiet. बड़ा शांत मन है. That shanti is not being talked of here. Why? Because that shanti is because of certain samskar and conducive situation. Or maybe for your sadhana also. Maybe because of dispassion also. If your mind is very dispassionate, you will have much quieter mind. Because you don't, something happens, you are not too attached to, you are not affected after that. Somebody did something. Well, neighbor's son has failed. It's okay. Well, neighbor's daughter is not getting married. She is already touching 40. Her marriage age is passing away. So they are very worried. Oh, this neighbor's daughter. Okay, what did I have to do? I'm not attached to that neighbors. But then that father of that mother, they are very worried. Oh, they must be worried. If you have this passion, there are 3 sources of mental peace. Don't forget this point. One is dispassion, other is bhakti, third is satsang, fourth is dharma. Four causes. Mansik shanti is also not easy. Don't think it is easy. If you have bhakti, so you have a very big area to entertain yourself without anybody. पूजा कर लिया, मन ठीक हो गया. Future I leave to the God. I accept something better is there. Well, I accept it. Bhakti makes a lot of peace. Second is you have dispassion for, what was it? Dispassion, vairagya, and satsang. Satsang is there. Satsang is there. Satsang, you know what satsang does? It takes out the wrong thought from your mind. You will not know all this operation is going on. Gurudev used to say it's more subtler than the brain operation. So a lot of thoughts are taken out and new right thoughts are substituted. A good satsang, one good satsang can make your day quiet. Good satsang should be. not a boring satsang, not a flimsy, boring or time pass satsang. Something good should be there. Essential things should be talked. And dharma, if you do, then you will have fearlessness that I have not done anything back to you. I don't have to live in fear and anxiety. Or people will talk bad about you. But what wrong I did? If I do something wrong, they should have talked. They will have substance to talk. But because I have not done something wrong, neither I lied, neither I took somebody's money, neither I abused, neither I got angry, so they have nothing to talk about it. Persons cannot be talked about lightly. When you don't have dharma, you can be talked lightly. You can be laughing matter. And nobody wants I should be talked lightly about. Don't put any loose comment on. You cannot talk loosely about that person. You can't talk loosely about Bhagwan Ram. You can talk loosely about Ravana and Kumbhakarna, but not Bhagwan Ram. Because no action gives you a scope to talk, Arey, dekho, he did like that. He left his father, or he left his mother for his own comfort, or he was very lazy, or he was very liar. You can't say all these things. In adharma in a person gives lot of opportunity to the world to talk very loosely about you. Be very, very careful. Always find out what people are talking behind you also. Some people are not, I don't care. No, wait. You cannot run away from don't care. You have to care. Sometimes they are right. Some aspect of our personality we don't know, others know. Right? So don't put a blind, don't become some sukha dukkha samay kritva. It's not that stage. They are talking about you. Therefore Bhagwan Ram used to go in the night in the disguise to find out what people are talking. And this is how they discovered what they are talking loosely about Sita ji. There is where that problem came up. So you should be aware, if one person is talking, 2% is it fine. But out of 8 out of 10 are talking or 7 out of 10 are talking, then you have to be careful. They all cannot be wrong. If 2 are talking out of 10, of course somebody will talk bad about everybody. That is not a problem. But if more are talking, that means I have to go back and see. Kuch garbad to nahi ho raha humse. I mean not. Your each behavior is scanned by the people around. How you walk, how you talk, how you sit. Whether you are calm, disturbed, angry, egoistic, devoted, bhakt, regular, committed, non-committed, any work he does, he ran away, he didn't come back. This person came in the mission and ran away. Receipt book only he took and didn't bring back. He said, I'll collect lot of funds. He took the receipt book. Now accountants are coming. After 1 year, he is no more. Who? That person. I'm now searching to get the receipt book because we have to tell to the accountant what is the money taken. He said, don't think that world is blind. There are 1,000 eyes. Okay. So Shanti, how many sources of Shanti are there? Vairagya, Bhakti, Satsang and Dharma. Dharma, which I was talking about, Satyam, today also it very important. Very few people have that. All are difficult. That is the biggest source of Mansik Shanti. At least you will have peace of mind with these 4 things. If there is little attachment, peace gone. Phas gaya aap phir. This passion is missing, then you will have problem. Or bhakti is missing, you will not be able to accept situation and your future you will not be able to do. Satsang is missing, you will always be going on the wrong track in thinking. People who attend satsang are much more quieter than who don't attend. I see the other temples. Good satsang, not a time pass satsang. not bhajan. That will increase bhakti. Something about mind, something about karma yoga, bhakti yoga, Gita. And last was a life where I am doing what is expected of me. What is my role? These four things ensure mansik shanti to a great level. Not 100%. Not 100%. Because prarabdha will give something. It's all sitting there. Some bad fruit of action will definitely come in due time. Bole, why? Because your actions are like that. Some bad fruit is coming. Bole, coming. Let this course be over, then bad fruit come. बैठा हुआ है फ्रूट, बैठा है ऐसे, fruit is sitting like, it's just like that. Supposing your fruit has to come in October, so by August you start yawning. By September it starts seeing. In 18 August the fruit has to come. By 15th August it is like that. 5:45. अरे पूर्व मीमांसा इज डिस्क्राइबिंग सो मेनी थिंग्स. क्या बोले? अदृष्टम वर्ड बोले, दिखता नहीं है वो. बोले भाई भगवान राम किल्ड बाली बिहाइंड द ट्री. छिप के क्यों मारा? भाई ही. अरे भगवान छिप कर ही मारते हैं. कर्म कम्स फ्रॉम हिडन सोर्सेज ओनली. Fruits of action comes from hidden sources, unknown sources only. The nature of the karma. Unexpected hidden sources from where you don't expect something, that only will happen. वो तो आएगा ही. But if you have dispassion and devotion, you can dilute it. If you don't have, then you will take whole thing on your ahankar only. Devotion doesn't make the karma phal very strong. It dilutes because the taker is not there. Tyagat Shantiranantaram. That Tyagat Shanti is for Mansik Shanti. And Yasman Nodijate Loka is for Paramarthik Shanti. Ab here that Shanti which is being talked of in this particular Tesham Shanti Shashvatim is the Shanti of the self, where nobody else is there to disturb. To make sound, two things should be there. See, if two things are there in my hand, I can make sound like. So, but if one thing is there, only self, well, there is no cause of disturbance. That is called Shashwati Shanti. Okay. Here Shashwati Shanti means Purnatvam. He claims Purnatvam. Limitless experience of the self is Shashwati Shanti. Tesham means of those who, well, whosoever he may be. No, who sees in the mind. Sakshi is there. Atmastham yenupashyanti. Anu means, already I told what is the meaning of Anu. Okay. Anu, who will say? From this side. Anu means what? Anu means what? Huh? Anu means what? Acharya Agam Upadesh Uparantam. When did you tell? Yesterday. Oh, yesterday. When? Which class? Both the class I was there. So always come prepared. Before coming to class, just browse through your last class. Important points. Never be without homework. Doctor, when he comes, he also does his homework. That who are the patient today? What are the medicines available? Lawyer, when they come, they do lot of homework. Musicians, when they sing, they do lot of homework. इन्हीं कैसे चले आए? After sleeping, got up straight away from the bed to the concert. They have a lot of practice. Homework is very required. So student also, good student, at least he flips through the pages. Let me see what was important point. Just go through it. Have a quality of a good student. If you are not good, you will not be happy with yourself. You will not get fulfillment. You have taken a work and you have not justified it. Okay. Justified means it requires attention. Give that attention. Now this is Shashwati. One small point. This Sukham, Tesham Sukham Shashwatam. So that is for Sukh Prapti. Both are same. And Shashwati Shanti is for Dukh Nivritti. Sukham is for Sukh Prapti. Nirankusha Tripti, it is said in Panchadashi. Now let us go through the last but one mantra. Tadetaditi manyante anirdeshyam paramam sukham katham tu tad vijaniyam kimu bhati vibhati va tadetaditi manyante anirdeshyam paramam sukham katham nu tad vijaniyam kimu bhati vibhati va. So, as if Nachiketa is asking a intermediary question. This is one question of Nachiketa. You can somewhere write Nachiketaha uvacha. Nachiketas is the word Sakarant pulling, like Chandramas. So Chandramaha, Chandramasau, Chandramasa. Only what is there? Never mind. You will see later on. So Nachiketa is saying now. What is Nachiketa saying? Nachiketa is saying. Well, he was listening, that means attentively. Yes, he was listening. So many classes he was listening. Yes. They had break or not? Don't ask unnecessary question. So, some people ask some silly questions. Well, tell me, Swamiji, Mahabharat war, Gita was chanted, all were standing when Gita was chanted. Because generally it takes 3 hours, 4 hours to chant Gita. And naturally, Bhagwan would have given pauses also in between. Because we can't continuously, then it takes 3-4 hours. But Bhagwan would have given some pauses. So 5-6 hours they must be chanting and talking. All the army, both sides, was standing quietly. No. Then snacks were distributed. That Bhagwan who can do anything, he can quieten everybody also. They were seeing that there must be conversation is going on with Bhagwan. So they are all relaxing quietly while the conversation was going on. And if 2 people are talking, a decent person doesn't come in between. When 2 people are talking, always say, may I come in? Iniki ghus gaye na. So they were personally they were talking. So nobody was intruding inside. So here also talk is going on between Yamraj and Nachiketa. Well, very good they have talked, yes. Now your respect for Kathopanishad will increase. What was the mere book has become Bhagwan for you. It has become live. What is there? I'll do the Anvay. So it is said here. Tad Anvay देखो कैसा है. Tad manyante. Jnaninaha. Jnani people, they think. Tad manyante. What they think? Tad manyante tad anirdeshyam paramam sukham. That sukh which you are talking out in the last 2 verses, sukham shashvatam, Anirdeshyam, it cannot be indicated. It cannot be grasped by words because it is not the object of sense organ, body, mind, intellect. It is not objectifiable joy. Tad anirdeshyam paramam sukham manyante jnanina. Those jnanis think like that. Jnani is, you have to add somewhere. देखो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. अनिर्देश्यम सुखम. ओके. Who say like that? Nivritteshna ye brahmana te. And what they are saying, that sukh is what like that? What is like that? They are saying etad iti aparokshtaya. That etad word you see. Etad iti. Etad iti. Etad iti should be in inverted comma. This is the sukh. This means of the consciousness. Consciousness is given the name sukh here. It is not experiential happiness. It is essential happiness. Experiential happiness is when that happiness comes through body, mind. It is filtered happiness. I'm very happy to see you. Or I'm very happy to eat it. After listening to the song, I was very happy. It is mediumless happiness. It is called essential, substantial happiness. It is not experiential happiness. That substantial happiness is called anantata. So ananda is anantata there. I hope it is clear. Nachiketa is saying like that. So, Anvay ka ठीक करने ना. I think I must have made you right then. Anvay is there. देखो, it helps to understand. हैं? ठीक है ना भाई अनवय? What is there? हाँ तो ठीक है ना. वही है. एतद इति, तद नहीं, एतद. एतद indicates aparokshaya. Tad anirdeshyam sukham, paramam sukham jnaninah. Etad should be in inverted comma. Etad iti manyante. So they know this sukh as the self. Etad iti. Etad sukham nahi. Etad iti. That self is called joy here. Please get these points clear, otherwise you will have problems. This is not Koshanand, it is Atmanand. This is called Atmanand, this is called Brahmanand also. So this joy what you are talking of, you know what the problem was in the last two verses? What word made the sukh very Shashwati? Shashwati, because mental sukh cannot be permanent. Emotional joy can come and go. It has tartamya. I met you, I was very happy, now you are leaving. It has ups and downs. Even samadhi sukh has up and down because samadhi is over after some time. Very quiet, but again I have to get up to take bath. So now that joy of samadhi has gone. So both the verses, see the word here, Sukham Shashwatam and Shashwati, because feminine is there, Shanti, and Sukham is neuter. Therefore, Shashwatam, Sukham and Shashwati, permanent. Utna hi vaisa ka vaisa hai. And therefore, he raised this question that Sukh, Jnani think it is aparoksh, it is of your own nature. So, Bhaiya, Bhai Nachiketa, what is your question? My question is, Gurudev, what is your question? Katham nu tad vijaniyam. How shall I know it? How shall I know it? Aham is a subject hidden. Katham nu, aham avam vayam padha hai. They have heard. Aham avam vayam. It's a verb they must not have heard. So, aham vijaniyam. How will I know that? So, kimu bhati? Does it shine? Does it reveal? That is, it reveal kimu bhati or vibhati va, or it reflects in something. Vibhati means vividhin bhati. It reflects in something. Do we know that sukh? How do you know that sukh? This is the innocent question of Nachiketa. Please get my point. I'm repeating it. This is not the sukh of what we experience is being talked of. He's not talking of joy that we feel. सुख कैसे मिले? हर सत्संग में वन क्वेश्चन इज देयर. मन की शांति. महात्मा जी को हमारा शत शत प्रणाम हो. When we have a general satsang, जनरल सत्संग 100 people, they will start. महात्मा जी को हमारा शत शत प्रमाण दंडवत प्रणाम स्वीकार हो. महात्मा जी एक ही प्रश्न है. There is one question. सुख कैसे मिले? मन को कैसे शांत करें? How to quieten the mind? Or how can I get joy? Some questions are very nice. Common question is there. Some people ask difficult questions. It's not that sukh. He is not talking of happy. He is talking of when you are saying, I am happiness, not I am happy. Don't make happy a verb. Happy is a verb. I am happy. Don't put am happy there. I am happy. Only then I am happiness. I am, I was, and I will be happiness. That means I am Anand. Hidden question is not that how I shall be happy. This is not a worldly person's question or a seeker's question. It is a question of a Tivra Jigyasu who is saying what is the need, how to get that Brahmanand, what is that infinite nature of the self, how shall I know this? How shall I know that happiness nature? Nitya Sukham. I hope you are clear about the question. Now this question is answered in the last verse of this Valli, which all of you have. You need not by heart this question. This very important, but don't by heart it. Why should you trouble yourself unnecessarily? I don't want any trouble. Maybe we should have compassion. You are asking one to by heart, this to by heart. I hope you all know it, this mantra, because you will need it for Aarti. Very short Aarti. If you do your puja, then you have to by heart it. Na tatra suryo bhati na chandra tarakam nema vidyato. Nema vidyato? Some people say bhati. I corrected also somebody. It is bhanti. Vidyat is bahuvachan. Takaranda striling is there. Vidyutah plural is there. Bhanti. Nema vidyato. Somebody said, बोले विद्युत है तो कैसे भांति होगा? It should be bhati. See, it is bahuvachan is there. It is takarant, not akarant. We'll see this in our next class.